In this video, we are going to simulate uh, interfacing LDR sensor with Arduino. So, experiment number 4B, write an Arduino program to interface LDR sensor. You can do LDR or photo sensor, anyone. So, I'm doing LDR. So, what is LDR? You can see. So, LDR stands for light dependent resistor. L light dependent resistance. So, this is how it looks like. Okay, these are the electrodes. Okay, these are the cold weld contact ceramic material. This is so you can see a light dependent resistor means the resistance varies depending on the light intensity. If you put a torch light here, okay, so the resistance will vary actually. So you can see here light intensity. If it is this is x-axis light intensity, this is resistance. For less intensity, resistance is more, and if the less intensity is more, actually resistance is going to decrease. So you can see from this, what you understand from this graph is resistance decreases with light intensity. So if you switch off all the lights, the resistance will be more. If you switch on the light or if you put the torch light, immediately the resistance is going to get down. You can read this. Okay. So whenever it is dark, its resistance will be 20 mega ohm. And if it is low, if you put some lights, then resistance will reduce to 5 kilo ohms. So now we'll simulate using simulation using Tinkercad. So create I'll create new. This let us simulate on this. Create circuits. Is on Arduino. LED. Name search for LDR. Photoresistor. Can search for this. Place on resistor. It is optional. If you want, you can use a resistor. Otherwise, you can directly connect. And here in this you can connect to VCC 5 volts. Then this is signal, and on the resistor to the ground. This 5 volts you can give red color, and this can connect to pin number A1 in a block A1 or A0. Let me check. You can use any pin A0, and one more ground you have to connect. This I'll connect green color, and one more resistor. Seeing this, you can connect to ground. code, you select text. By default, this program will be there. You can type this program. So in this program, LDR will give, depending on the light repeating resistor, photoresistor values is going to change. So we can check if it is less than 300, then only we are going to turn on this bulb, that LED. Okay. If the if the intensity of light is less, then only this should be on. So this you can use it as an example for project like street light controller, automatic street light control. So depending on outside light intensity, the street light is going to turn on. Okay, in the morning, light should turn off automatically. Okay, so all base work based on this LDR, light dependent resistor. If we can set the intensity. For example, if the LDR status is less than 300, then only it should turn on. Else, it should turn off. So you can start the simulation. We are in the setup. We are setting the baud rate of 9600. We are configure LED pin, that is pin number 10 as output, pin number A0, that is a sensor connected to this A0 as an input. Okay, that is A0 pin is configured as input. Pin number 10 is configured as output. So in the loop program, okay, LDR status is equal to analog grid. This LDR pin is connected to the pin number. This LDR pin is A0. We are reading that value. Okay, and we are printing in the serial monitor LDR sensor value is equal to, and that value, whatever value is coming. After that, we have to write a condition when you should turn on the LED and when you should turn off the LED. If the LDR status value is less than 300, then only you have to make this high by writing digital write LED pin as high. Else, we have to digital write LED pin as low and call delay of 2000 millisecond. So just simulate it. You have to open serial monitor. LDR value, it is showing 6. You can see LDR value is showing 6, and actually LED is on now because its value is less than 300. LED is on. Now if you want to change outside, means in the hardware setup, we can put light using mobile torch only, or you can in this simulation we have to click on this. You can see this is in the dark, this is light. So in the dark, it is showing minimum value of 6. Okay, if I drag this, assume that we are putting some light and its value is increasing. See, 224 is there. Okay, 323 is there. If it is less than, we wrote here code as less than 300. Here we wrote code as less than 300. So it is on. If it crosses that, see 252 is there. If I just crosses 300, 343. Now LED is off. Now LED is off. And maximum, how much you are getting? 679. 679 is maximum resistance you are getting here, and here you are getting minimum of 6. So here we can see we are displaying both LDR value and we are controlling actually LED also. That is program number. Program number this one. Write an Arduino to interface the LDR or photo sensor, light dependent resistor or photoresistor. Okay. Thank you.